Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install DokioCRM on your VPS server. So what do you need to do this? First of all, you need to have VPS with root assets. The minimal configuration is displayed here, and I recommend to use this version of operation system. The second one is a domain name with a record that point to your VPS IP. You can check accessibility of your server by domain name using a ping command and prompt, or I recommend this website. Let's open it. For example, I will use this domain name, input it here and click ping. And as you can see, the domain name is available for almost all web servers. And the last one is a PuTTY or another SSH client. I use Mobox term, it's a free version. Log into your VPS, and now you need to check the domain name of a system. To do this, I will use this command, hostname f. And as you can see, this is a wrong domain name because I will use this one. Then I will fix it with the following command. Let's check it again. And that's it. Everything is right. So now you can start the main installation process. To do this, use the following command. Click yes, and the process is started. At this stage, if you want to install WordPress site with Ecommerce online store, click yes. So as you can see, DokioCRM was installed successfully. All passwords are in this file. I recommend save this information to your computer and delete this file. Let's check that everything is working fine. So let's copy this. As you can see, the site is working well and pretty fast. And now we can check the Dokio itself, and it is also working well. And now let's create the first account and see how the synchronization between DokioCRM and WordPress site is working. For this I will use the temp mail as a mail service. Okay, click registration. Registration is complete, and now we can log in, and voila, we are in the system. So let's check how is it working. Go to products and services, and let's add some products to our online store. For this I will mark this category as an online store category, and I will select the online store, click save. Then I will edit the product of this category. Example, I will add price. I'll point that this is a service, and add a picture for it. You need to set that this picture can be accessible from outside. These pictures are marked by this icon, and I will select it, OK, and save. And now this product should be added to your online store. The synchronization between DokioCRM and online store is going in a time of 1 minute. So as you can see, the product is here and also in shop. So let's try to buying process. Let's imagine that we are a buyer, customer. Add to cart, view cart, and proceed to checkout. and place the order. And now this order should go to your email and to the CRM in customers' orders. Now the order was added, and let's see the pizza. Quantity is 2, and let's try to sell it in a system in DokioCRM. For this, you need to do at least 2 operations. It is get money from your customer and make a shipping of your product. So let's get money. You can even make an invoice, for example. Let's create an invoice. Here is invoice. You can edit the template of invoice as you want. Change logo, change colors, and so on. So let's get money from your customer. For this, there is a following document: incoming payment or credit slip. Let's complete this document, and as you can see, your debt is 200. This is because the product wasn't shipped, and on bank account is $200. Let's create shipment, and complete it. And now the deal is over. The balance between you and your customer is 0 because you make a shipment and you get money for your goods. And you can open P&L report and see that your revenue is 200 and net profit 2 because was not any operation expenses. To get email about the orders, you need to make some settings in an administration panel of your site. Admin and password is here. So input your email in the settings here. And also go Ecommerce settings, emails, and change these 3 emails, or at least this one. After this, the basic installation is over. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comments below or by contacts on dokio.me. That is my contacts. Bye bye.